Alright gang, this is section 3.2, number 63. You're going to determine the points where this graph has a horizontal tangent line. So that means if you have a horizontal tangent line, your slope has to be equal to 0. So that's what's making the tangent line horizontal. So you can go ahead and take the derivative. So I'm going to use my power rule for this. Let me just make sure I have the correct original function. x4, 2x. Okay, hold on. Let me get the original function correct. Okay, so you're going to use the power rule. You bring the 4 down in front, that makes a 3. You bring the 2 down in front, it makes a 4. And the derivative of a constant goes to 0. Alright, so this is the derivative. So again, you have to set the slope equal to 0 to find the horizontal tangent line. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then once you do that, you want to factor this as much as you can. Alright, so I first took out a common factor. Now I'm going to go ahead and take out, this is the difference of perfect squares. So I'm going to go ahead and factor that. Okay, so all the places that this is going to equal to 0, if this x is 0, if this x is a -1, and if this x is a +1. So all of these x values will make the derivative equal to 0. Now the thing with the horizontal tangent line is they want the full coordinate, okay? So meaning they want the full xy where you are touching the horizontal tangent line. So let's go ahead and now do that. So for instance, for x is 0, you would plug that into the function to get the y value. So when you plug in a 0, this will calculate out to be a 3. So the full coordinate on this would be 0, 3. Now I'm noticing that these are even values, so it won't matter whether you put in a positive or negative, so we can do these both at the same time. Okay, this will be a 1, this will be a -2, and this will be a 3. So you may hear my neighbor in the background who's usually incredibly loud and usually profane, so I apologize. You gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, so this is a 2. Alright, so for these two values, whether x is a +1, it's going to end up being a 2, or where x is a -1, this is going to end up being a 2. Alright gang, so for this graph, these are where the horizontal tangent lines will occur at these specific values. So whatever this graph looks like, so whatever shape this graph is let me just see, this is 0, 3, so it might, whatever it looks like, this is like the points where it's attaching with, I'm just making up something so you can see it. And this could be like 1, 2, and this could be like -1, 2. Oh boy, one of these days. Alright gang, so that's it on that one. And I hope you're enjoying the entertainment in the background as much as I am. He's always a work of art, that guy. Alright, I'll catch you. Bye bye.